Hi guys, we're going to be working on lesson 29, and in my last video I did the straight long division for lesson 29, but I wanted to show also division using the place value chart because some people are still working with the place value chart. So that's what we are going to do in this video. So our first step is to represent our number in our place value chart. So we are going to put 2,464 in our place value chart that I have previously already drawn. There's my 2,000s, 400s, 6 10s, and 4 1s. And then I'm also going to draw my groups at the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to make sure I have enough room because I know I'm going to have to unbundle some numbers. Okay, so we're going to start in the thousands place. And in the thousands place, we only have 2. So we cannot divide them among the 4 groups. So we're going to have to unbundle them first. So we're going to take them and make those 2,000s into 20 hundreds. There's 10, 15, 20. So now total in my hundreds space, I have 24 hundreds. So I'm going to divide those 24 hundreds into our 4 groups. So here we go. We're going to start by looking at, oh, look here, I already have 4 groups of 5. So I'm going to start by putting 5 in each group. I'm going to cross those out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That covers 20 of our place value discs. Then I'm going to do 1 for each group. 2. Okay, so that gives us 6 in each hundreds in each of our 4 groups. So 6 hundreds in each of our 4 groups. We have none left over, so we don't need to unbundle any. Now in our tens place, we have 6 place value discs, so we can divide those into groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 2 left, so I cannot divide any more because I don't have enough. So I need to unbundle these. So that gives me 20. I've unbundled my 2 10s to give me 21s, and I already had 4 in my ones place. So now I can divide. I have 24 ones in my ones place. So one more time, I have 4 groups of 5 evenly already divided here. So I'm just going to relocate those to my place value chart. Then I have 4 left to divide out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I've divided all of my dividend, and I have divided it into 4 groups. So each of my groups has, oops, do a little bracket. So I have in this group, I have 6 hundreds, 1 10, and 6 ones. So that equals 616. So 616 should be my quotient. We are going to double check just to make sure by multiplying 616 times our divisor, which is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and 4 times 6 is 24. So 2,464 here, 2,464 there. We know we are correct. Okay, let's do this next problem. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put our dividend into our place value chart. We have 1,800s, 4 10s, and 8 1s. At the bottom, we're going to break our groups. We're going to do 3 groups. And then we can divide. So in our thousands place, we cannot divide because we do not have 3 thousands. We have less than that. So we need to unbundle. We're going to make it into 10 hundreds. On top of my 800s that were already there, we end up with 1800s. So then we're going to break that into our 3 groups. Well, I can see in my hundreds place, I have 3 groups of 5 already. So I'm going to just distribute that to my groups. There's 1, 2, 3, and then we have 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've started out, we have 6 hundreds in each group. We have nothing left to unbundle there. So then we're going to move on to our tens, where we can, we have 4 tens. We can divide those into our 3 groups. We get 1 in each group. And we have 1 left over, which we need to unbundle to our ones place. So that's going to give us 10 ones. Okay, and once again, we can see we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 5 dots each already nicely laid out for us. So I can do groups of 5, cross those off, and then I have 1 left for each group. So we are done. We have no remainder. In each group, we have 6 hundreds, 1 10, and 6 ones. So that is equal to 616. We are going to double check to make sure our answer is correct. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 6 is 18. We know we are done. 1,848. 1,848. We were correct.